everyone, this is Brenda Desserts from around the world, and today's destination is America, the state of Louisiana. I'll be trying the recipe for Stranger cake. So let's get started. To start our cake, you're going to need 1 box of cake mix, preferably butter pecan cake mix, but I couldn't find that cake mix, so I just got a butter yellow cake mix. So you're going to need 1 box. If you can't find yellow or butter pecan cake mix, you can also use vanilla cake mix. It should be fine. You're going to add 1 cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, 4 eggs, now I'm just gonna give this a little whisk to blend the ingredients together. So once that is well combined, you're gonna add 1 can of coconut pecan frosting. This is like 15 ounces. And this is 1 cup of pecans that I chopped up. And then you're just gonna get a little blend. So once your batter is well mixed, I just got regular size bun pan that I sprayed, and you're just gonna add your batter to it. So once you put your whole batter in your bundt pan, so I already preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and this might take to 30 to 45 minutes. So my cake just came out of the oven. It took 45 minutes. It's gonna wait a couple minutes, then I'm gonna flip it out of the pan. So it's been like 10 minutes. I'm just gonna flip it out of the pan. So I do grab a cardboard, flip it, then we're gonna flip the whole pan. Then it should easily come out. Now I'm gonna wait until it gets room temperature, then we're gonna put powdered sugar on top. So my cake now reached to room temperature, so I'm gonna just decorate with powdered sugar. And there you go. How beautiful. It is time to cut the cake. I can't wait. Yummy! Time for a taste test. This cake came out so delicious. I love the pecan. It came so moist because of the frosting baked inside the cake. Even with the coconut, I'm not a big fan of coconut. It just came out so delicious. I recommend you guys try this recipe, and it was so easy. So let me know how it went for you guys. Comment below. And like always, I see you guys in my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.